Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can set up a specific destination state of charge that you'd like to arrive in when you're traveling somewhere. So let's say I'm going on vacation and I want to get to the final destination at maybe 50% state of charge. So I'm going to navigate somewhere. And to set that state of charge in our navigation menu right here, we're going to click on these three horizontal dots to open up our menu. And from in here, what we want to do is click on where it says Set Arrival Energy. Clicking on that, and right now it has the arrival energy set at 10%. I can increase this to 50%, and essentially what this is going to do is it's just going to make sure that I'm charged up before I get to my final destination, so that when I arrive there, I'm at least about 50% state of energy. And this can be really nice, especially if you're planning on traveling somewhere that maybe doesn't have a charger that you're gonna have easy access to. Then you can increase that arrival energy percentage so that you can kind of plan beforehand, charge up your vehicle to the point of where you want it to be when you're arriving to your destination. Instead of having to do that math for yourself, your vehicle will now do that for you with the arrival energy percentage that you have it set at. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Again, going over how to do the arrival energy percentage of the battery in your Tesla vehicle. Again, in our navigation options, opening up this menu here with the three horizontal dots. That'll give us this additional menu option where we can set our arrival energy percentage. And that'll wrap this one up. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.